Hey everyone, it is Melissa from Butterfly Planner, and today we have this week's plan with me. I'm going to be using the Kawaii sub from Sweet Kawaii Design. It is her fall cafe one, and it is perfect because one of my best friends from California is coming out to visit me. It's Sunday now, and she's actually on the road right now, and will be here tomorrow, and I'm so excited. So coffee and fall is really something I think of with her, so I thought this kit would be perfect for that, and I just don't know which color washi to use, but I'm super excited. I'm doing the third week in my PP weeks, and I'm just kind of really excited to just use this to see how it goes. So have not fully thought this through. I do have my little list of things that we are for sure doing, but this week is kind of up in the air as to exact details. So let's start out with the easy stuff, which is date covers and washi. I think I can use just one strip. That's really cool. Do I want to use the pink one or the orange one? I think I want to use the pink one. Although the pink one I could use at another time, and the orange one's really fall, so yeah, I'm gonna use the orange one instead. I'm just gonna put it down here and let it overlap. Oops. Good thing her stickers are repositionable because I suck at laying down washi. So, like I said, I'm so excited to see my friends. We just had another friend visit from California. It was actually a really good friend of my dad's. He's the one that sold our house. But we've known him and his wife for years. They're on this travel trip, and so they made a stop here they were in Kansas and then they were going to Texas, so Oklahoma is perfect in between, and we are very thankful that they stopped to see us. It was so much fun. And see, now here's the dilemma. Do I go up here so I give myself extra room? Or do I put it down here? Does it look weird? I can always put a header there, right? Yeah. I'm gonna go up even maybe a little more because I can. Nope, that's too much. Maybe I won't. Oh, I hear a daisy. Can you hear her meowing? She's like, Mommy, come pay attention to me. And I'm like, I can't. I'm filming the videos for the next 2 weeks. Because, like I said, my friend Amanda is coming. She's coming with her to visit with her son. And we are her son is in speech and debate, and he has a tournament in Oklahoma. One of the reasons they picked the tournament in Oklahoma was to come see me, which is really nice. What's up, baby bud? What's up? I hear her, I can't see her. Oh, she's in the window now. Meow. So they are coming to visit, and I haven't seen her since February when she was in Kansas for a speech and debate tournament. But she's coming a couple days early. The speech and debate tournament, as you'll see in my planner, is Thursday through Saturday. And we are, I'm going to help judge so that I can be there and spend a little extra time with her because I love her and miss her. Like I said, I'm just so excited that she is coming and making this trip at all. She doesn't have to do it. It's not, I don't know. I'm just really appreciative of the fact that she is coming out and that they're driving like crazy in 2 days to get here. They're gonna drive like heck today. Yes, Daisy. And I'm gonna drive like heck today and then a little less tomorrow. Oh my gosh, I'm losing my voice already and I still have another video to film. This is not good. I just had a freak out moment. I was like, oh my gosh, have I been recording? Did I remember to turn the thing on? Oh, I'm a dork. Okay, so like I said, there is not a ton of stuff that I have planned. So I kind of am hesitant to put a lot of like stickers in, like full boxes. I definitely want to put, I think this one would be good for like Friday because it's just gonna be doing the, maybe I think I'll do like this because if I need to, I can always go into the washi a little bit because why not? It's my planner. I can do what I want. No, I don't like that. I changed my mind. I don't like that. I'm gonna go all the way to the bottom. There we go. And then I think for tomorrow, the only thing I have in here is that they arrive and that I need to do laundry, and clean and all that kind of stuff. So I think I can put the cleaning part up here and then that they arrive down here. I do have stickers for that, but I'm not gonna go to that part yet. And then I'm gonna take this one and put it here on Wednesday. I have a feeling it's gonna be fairly busy. I do have, oh no, I already told them I'm not going. Never mind, I'm getting ahead of myself. I planned out the last week, this week, and the week next week. And so I'm kind of like, what's going on? What are we doing? Darn it, I didn't, here's the problem now. Now I've got these two and then these two. So maybe I messed up. Now I'm going, I wish I had this. I think I actually want cozy morning here. I think it'll look cuter. I think it will look cuter and more fitting. I'm just gonna have full boxes like this. It's just gonna be the way it is, Melissa. It's no big deal. I'm not in love with this like puke green to me. It looks puke green to me. Actually, I could do Saturday is a full day of stuff again. So I could put another, maybe the Kawaii, no, Eat, Drink, and Be Thankful is a good one. And I'm just gonna put it up here and do like this. Sorry. Okay. That is looking super cute. I like it. I hope you guys do too. If you don't, then oh well. Oh well. Okay, now we can start actually like putting in the cute stickers. So I have some that I've pulled already to make life easier, and I am going to This is almost going to be like a no white space just because I'm not in love with the grid of this. So it is all about cleaning, doing laundry, that kind of stuff. And it's okay that it overlaps. I'm just doing that. This is from Papery. I always forget who. Shops will be linked down below. I always forget how to say her name. She changed it and now I can't figure it out. So I just threw a sticker at myself. That is just amazing. Not. For the bottom, I am going to use this pink. And we are just gonna overlap it. Grab this Friday one and pull it back. Ooh, can you hear that wind? It is crazy out there. And then I have this villain of the Queen of Hearts from Glam Planner. See, is that too busy? I think that looks cute. Because I asked her which, our thing is Disney. If you've been following me for a long time, she was one of my Disney friends. Like, we would go to Disneyland all the time. We went as Tweedledum and Tweedledee last year for the Halloween party. So I asked her if she wanted to be a princess or a villain in my planner. And she said villain, because Halloween's coming up. And so I then was like, okay, which one do you want to be? And she said the Queen of Hearts. So I think that's perfect. I do need to go to the grocery store and stuff like that, but really that doesn't have to be put in every time. Like, it's not really, it's kind of implied. I do that all the time. Tuesday, completely open because it's probably going to be things like giving the AHA tour and stuff like that. Same with Wednesday. We're just going to be hanging out. I can fill it in as I go. Thursday, could use another full box. Well, we might do something in the morning. I don't know. But I'm going to take this pink box and I'm going to put it down at the bottom. Like that. And then I'm going to take, I have a sticker here. And I'm going to just put it right there. And I'll say drive to OKC for the tournament. This will just be day 2 of the tournament. I'll just grab this one, kind of layer it so it kind of goes together. I think that looks cute. And then Saturday we will drive back, so I need another sticker. I'm gonna use this one to contrast. Whoa, that is way off. And again, I have the same little stickers. These are from Nicole Hutch Designs. And then Sunday, I have a feeling we're gonna sleep in. I should have grabbed like a sleeping in sticker, but I forgot. So I can always like just leave that blank, or you know what else would be good? To grab this coffee sticker and I can be like sleep in there. And then I'm gonna grab this gray sticker here. How many times can I say the word sticker? Sticker, sticker, sticker. And this yellow doesn't quite match, but I didn't have anything that really matched well. So it's kind of like bam, well, bam. But that's okay. So for church, because we're going to go to church. And then I don't know what we're doing for the rest of the day. I have no clue. So there is that. I know what I was gonna do here. I was not gonna put this one. This was from my last plan with me and I ended up not using it. And I was actually going to use this one and this one from the kit. Okay, I think that's it. I think it looks really, really cute. If you want to see how it ends up turning out, make sure you're following me on my Instagram at the Butterfly Planner. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye.